Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 3, TPM and TQM. Okay, in previous section I have discussed what is maintenance, what are the benefits of maintenance, okay, what is the okay, and also what are the functions of the maintenance we have discussed. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss what is preventive maintenance, economics of preventive maintenance, so breakdown maintenance. Okay, so these concepts I'm going to discuss in this lecture. Okay, so what is preventive maintenance? Okay, so preventive maintenance means, okay, it is undertaken before the machines or equipments fails or stops, okay, which is aimed or which is goal, okay, whatever the objective, okay, its objective preventive maintenance, its objective is to minimize the possibility of, okay, unexpected breakdowns. Okay, so okay, that is the main objective of the preventive maintenance. So it preventive maintenance, it mainly consists of proper design and installation of the equipment, periodic inspection of the plant and equipment to prevent the breakdowns before they occurs, okay, and also repetitive servicing and overhaul of the equipment, okay, so lubricants to be provided, okay, if it is necessary, and also cleaning to be done, and also painting of the building and the equipments, okay, that to be done, that is known as a preventive maintenance. And next one, economics of preventive maintenance. Okay, so economics of preventive maintenance, okay, this maintenance is a costly activity. It is the one of the considerable indirect loss that enters onto the manufacturing, and hence it is a considerable attention should be given by a managers or operation managers. Okay, so there will be a graph, it shows the preventive maintenance. Okay, so in this graph total cost decreases up to the point m. Okay, so you can observe here, and under the preventive maintenance, okay, total cost will reduces up to the point m. Okay, and beyond this point it is increasingly high level of preventive maintenance. Okay, so it is not economically justified. Okay, so maintenance cost is going on means it is increasing, means it is economically not satisfied. Okay, the level of degree of maintenance at point m, okay, so which gives the minimum total maintenance cost is known as the optimum level of maintenance activity of ideal level of maintenance. Okay, so you can see here in a graph the optimum level of maintenance, the preventive maintenance cost equals to the breakdown maintenance cost. Okay, you can observe. Okay, so preventive maintenance optimum level of maintenance and the, okay, so here preventive maintenance cost equals to the breakdown maintenance cost. Okay, whatever preventive maintenance you are going to do, okay, that is both are equal here. Okay, so that is preventive maintenance. Okay, next one, breakdown maintenance. Okay, so in concept breakdown maintenance, the concept of minimizing the total cost of the maintenance and the downtime cost, it is downtime cost will be the breakdown maintenance cost. Okay, so you can observe the graph. Okay, so optimum level of maintenance activity is easily identified, okay, with the help of theoretically, okay, and also in practice how necessary knowing a good deal about the various costs associated with the both preventive and the breakdown maintenance activities. Okay, this includes knowledge of both the probability of breakdown and the amount of repairs needed. Okay, and also depending the size of the maintenance. Okay, and also, okay, depending on the size and depending on the product size, okay. So whatever the applications will be there, the concept of minimizing the what cost, okay, cost and the time, okay, that is known as the breakdown maintenance. Okay, in this session we have discussed what is preventive maintenance. Okay, so preventive means before occurring the machines damage or machine stoppage, okay, we are taking the actions, we are taking the maintenance, we are going to do the maintenance in order to get the continuous production in the industry. So economics of the preventive maintenance means you have to think about the money investment, okay. So how you are going to get the money? See here, so you are investing something, some amount, okay, okay, you are expecting some return, okay. So you have to think about money, okay, how much money it will take to take the maintenance, okay. It is more than the equipment cost, then you can rather than maintaining, you can directly buy the machine, no. So that is the thing, okay. So next one, breakdown maintenance, okay. Breakdown maintenance means it is the minimizing the maintenance cost and the time, okay, that is known as the breakdown maintenance, okay. Thank you.